Hello, I'm Tosca Lahiri from wickedspider.com, and today's tutorial is about how to use Canva to create your images for your website, for your blog posts, for your social media posts as well, and particularly how to use the overlay features so you can have a picture in the background and some text on the front. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start with a custom size. This can be anything you like. I'm going to use 1024 by 607 because I'm going to use it on my blog post. Click on design, wait for Canva to launch the next stage. Now you get the layouts over here. Don't worry, this is not the pictures, just choose a layout. I just want a plain one here. Then I want to put a pattern in the background. Again, this can be anything, it can be patterns, photographs. Let's choose that greeny blue one. I want to make it fill the thing, so just to grab it and give it a little shake and it does its magic there. Now I want to add sort of a shape in partly way through it so I can put some text on it. So let's click on elements, let's click on shapes, and here are the shapes. You've got nice ones. I'm just going to use this one here. I'm going to change the transparency so I can see some of the bluey green coming through. That just adds some depth and some interest to your image. I'm going to resize it. Let's go right to the edge. You can do anything you like with this, be very creative. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the colours. The dark is a bit too dark. Drag the colour wheel like that, and then slide this across. Okay, that's going to stand out, isn't it? I'm also going to, I think I'll leave the grey on this time, so that's fine. Now I want to add the text here. Click on the text, add a heading. Now you can see that little grid, and we can drag it in here. Can you see those crosshairs, pinky purple? And when it snaps, it means it's in the center, a bit like when you go shooting at the fun fair. We're going to change this to how to use overlays in Canva. I'm going to select it all because I want to change the colour. Just click on this plus, that gives you another colour. I'm going to use white. So, I mean, 6Fs make white. And if you want to change the font as well, just double click, select it that way. They've got some interesting names for fonts, haven't they? What should we use? Well, like a biryani, let's use biryani bold. It's doesn't fit anymore, so let's change the size. 36, is that going to fit? Yes. Because we've changed the size, we'll need to reposition it. Let's wait till we see that. There we go. Now we need to see it snap again. There you go. Okay, how to use overlays in Canva. I want to add my logo. You can use this principle to add anything you like. You just click on upload your own images. That goes to your computer and you find what you want there. I've already got my logo here. I want to make it a bit smaller, so I'm holding down the control button and then getting the corner and dragging that down a bit. I'm going to put it to one side. I wouldn't put it right on the edge because sometimes it can get chopped off depending on what app opens it up. There you go, how to use overlays in Canva with your logo there so that when people see your blog post, your Facebook page, they use it. You don't always have to put your logo, sometimes I use it there as well. So that's it. Now if I want to download it to my computer, I just click on download. We'll just use a PNG, click on the download button. It's preparing the design and it's be on my computer. I'll save it somewhere and then I can use it anywhere you like. So all you need to do now is go and have a go yourself. As I said, canva.com is free to start off with. See you soon and have a wicked week.